Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Tonight I'm going to teach you guys how to do motion tracking on Premiere Pro. Let's get into it.
Alright, so the video that I'm going to be using for this tutorial is just a simple video of me waving. So basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing the motion tracking on my hand, moving from side to side. So first what you guys are going to want to go ahead and do is just go into the effect controls with the video selected. And here you're going to want to go ahead and zoom in to where you want your video to be zoomed in. So this depends on your personal preference. And then you're going to want to go ahead and try to make the hand the center of the video. So to me, with the scale, I'm just going to make mine 200, roughly about that. And so right now, that's just what it looks like as it is. Alright, so once you guys have done that, to the effect controls, click this button here to create a keyframe for the position. So this means that at every single time the position changes, that is what it's going to be once it reaches that keyframe. So for example, if right now I just pressed a keyframe, this is where the video is going to be starting. So as the video moves, my hand moves down here. So I'm going to try to keep the center of my hand the center of the video. Just do that back and forth. And so once you guys have done exactly that, just by changing the position every single time my hand moves, or in this case it's whatever you guys are doing, this is what mine looks like. So that's basically roughly what it should look like. So I'm going to be doing a different example. Instead of my hand waving, it's going to be a video of me appearing from the right side of the screen onto the center of the screen. So first off, I'm just going to go ahead and find where my face first shows up. In this case, this seems to be a pretty good spot. I'm going to cut the video, so I'm going to be able to make this video have the scale of 200, and then position the video to where it has my face first appearing. Alright, go ahead and press the position keyframe button, and just follow my face. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to be following my head as the video progresses. So once I have done that, this is what mine looks like. Alright, as you can see, the video does kind of lag a bit right about here, but you can see that it still has the tracking. So it comes down and then it pauses right where I stay still. Alright, and that's basically it.
I just want to say thank you so much everyone for watching this video. If you did find it helpful or just enjoyed it, be sure to give this video a like and subscribe. If you guys have any other recommendations which you guys like me to do, be sure to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one. God bless.